Welcome back to the channel. As you all know, we recently stayed at the Coronado Springs Resort at Walt Disney World. In today's video, we're going to take you around not only the resort grounds, this hotel is absolutely beautiful, but we're also going to take you on a quick room tour. We stayed in room 653, which is one of the Coronado's accessible rooms. It was really quite comfortable. As you see, we can hear as we walk in. Taking a look, you have a nice vanity there with dual sinks. You have a toilet with grab bars both on the side and behind the toilet as well. And again, plenty of room for all of our stuff on the counter there. In here, the shower was good size. Colleen was able to wheel her wheelchair in. You had a handheld shower right there, and it comes with some shower gel. Now this bench here, that was the only thing a little wonky about that shower. It was kind of like a wicker material. It was very odd. I've never seen a shower bench built in like that. It might work for some folks. What we ended up doing was taking out Colleen's chair. We actually have a shower bench for her chair. We have a shower bench for her that we actually brought along, and I can assemble and disassemble. I'll put that down in the description there so you can see the one that we use. Again, plenty of hanging space here. That was no problem. We have all of our clothes there. Again, a lower bar so Colleen could get to her clothes, and a shelf there to put some stuff on. Also some extra blankets in the room. Again, a mirror, full-size mirror on the inside of these cabinets. Really, really nice. The room itself was great. You can see here, the bed was nice and low. I don't know if we took the exact measurements, but it seemed to be pretty much a lateral transfer for Colleen. Again, it has this nice little breakfast bar. Now, the snacks we brought, but you can see you have a fridge in there, so if you want to put some stuff, I'd put some bananas in there because, again, I was running the half marathon, so bananas are always good. It does have a Keurig, and they actually had some special 50th anniversary coffee. It was good coffee. It was okay. It wasn't my favorite coffee, but again, a lot of counter space there to spread out. Lovely flat screen TV. You can see here a little bit on the enhanced cleaning. So at the time of this video, it was November 2021. So again, just talked about all the different things that they did. Lots of, drawers here to put things into. Plenty of plugs around the room. Didn't have any problem plugging everything in. Again, we had a fabulous view of the parking lot. Again, this nice little seating area here with a seat with some faux leather. Again, you can see there on all the lamps, lots of plugs. So again, lots of places to plug in your Apple Watches and other devices. So again, overall, a really, really nice hotel room. So the Coronado Springs Resort and Convention Center has been around for a while, but the Gran Destino Tower is really the newest addition. And as you can see here, it's just a stunning entranceway. So the tower itself is based on the Disney short film Destino, which was a collaboration of Walt Disney and Salvador Dali in the 1940s. And it celebrates the cultures and romance of Spain, Mexico, and the American Southwest. And you can see throughout the architecture here, really the inspiration for everything you see. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful space. One of the things that's really cool about the Gran Destino Tower at Coronado Springs is there's just a lot of spaces to sit. As this hotel is attached to a convention center, there's plenty of areas to, pull up, maybe have a drink, talk with a business partner, make some deals happen, or it's just a great place to vacation with the family. Again, this resort is geared a little bit more, in my personal opinion. It's not over the top Disney, so it's really geared towards more the adult traveler. But if you're here with a family, I think that's fine as well too. The wonderful lobby area where again you can see the film Destino playing at all times. It's just on a kind of constant loop there. So if you want to watch the film that inspired this hotel, you can check that out. Downstairs here is one of the many cafes. So this is the Barcelona Lounge. So in the mornings they serve espressos and cappuccinos and coffees. At night you can get a drink down here and just chill out. They have some grab and go items as well too. Again, just a beautiful space after a long day at Disney. A nice place to maybe chill out before heading back up to your hotel room. Heading across, this is actually a little walkway that takes you to the what was the original entrance to the hotel. So really nice covered walkway here. This will also take you to the convention center. This is actually the old lobby, which is now again turned into more seating area. So again, really convenient if you are here attending a conference. You have some informal spaces which you can quickly pull up with others and have a conversation. This is the actual entrance to where they used to come in. So if you've been to Coronado Springs before, this would look very familiar. This would be what would greet you. Down here we have the gift shop, Panchitos. We also have some restaurants including Cafe Rick's. This is a nice grab and go place, and I'll tell you, those donuts, yes, they are as good as they look. Really great muffins, coffees. You can grab some sandwiches here, some chips, drinks in the day. There's also Rick's Sports Bar and Grill. Again, you can get breakfast and lunch and dinner here. It's pretty basic breakfast. Dinner is, it's a sports bar, so you're gonna get sports fare here as well. Right across from Rick's is the Mercado Market. Again, this is another grab and go option here at Coronado Springs. Let's see, walking in here, there's plenty of room. It's very casual. Seat yourself. You can just, pull up a seat anywhere. Also here you'll see that they have a variety of beverages, some grab and go items again, some fresh made salads. There's also some warm items that are grab and go. So in the morning it's breakfast sandwiches, at night it may be burgers and hot dogs and such like that. So again, that's pretty, for Disney prices, is pretty affordable. There's also the Maya Grill. We actually did not eat here. It was closed, but if you're looking for a more sit-down option, some really good, kind of Southwest Mexican food, this is another option as well. And now kind of going to the outside of the property, it's just an amazing property. You can see the Adirondack chairs there. Actually, one afternoon just went out here and chilled and got some sun, just checking things out. Again, a kind of great space to stretch out. They have these giant chess and checkerboards, so you can play a game with the family, lots of fun. And then also they have this really cool bridge system that connects the different parts of Coronado Springs. So to the tower, to the older hotel rooms there. This is the Three Bridges Bar and Grill, which is really good. I mean, it was really good. The wait staff was amazing. The food was so good. Not in this video, but we also did check out the Dahlia Lounge as well too, in Toledo, which is the restaurant inside the Gran Destino on the top of the hotel. It's just amazing. I mean, the food here was really, really good. Walking over this way, there is a pool area. It doesn't open, I think it opens much later in the morning, 10 o'clock or so. But again, a lovely pool with some water features there as well too. Also, there's some table tennis, there's a little arcade, I believe, and some ping pong as well. So just a great place, maybe if you're, maybe you need a day off from the parks. Also, some beach volleyball, right? So if you want to get a game going. And then I also found these bikes, and I guess you can rent them. I don't know if they were available for rent right there, but you have some adult bikes and some kid bikes So again, really cool. Now, walking back to the tower here, again, the grounds are just beautiful. So if you are, the type of person who likes a little bit of space, you like to walk around, this is I would highly recommend Coronado Springs. It's just a really beautiful, beautiful resort. And coming up here, we have the cabanas, which are another option here at Coronado Springs. Again, really, I think they're multi-bedroom. You have this little beach area here. No going in the water. There's alligators in there, but it's surrounded by a nice pool area. So again, there's plenty of options here at Coronado Springs. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If so, please go ahead, subscribe, smash that like button, share this with your friends. Until next time, later, navigators.